Introduction to Python keywords. The word print is in a different color because it is a Python keyword. Keywords are specialized words that have been built into a specific programming language by its creators or developers. The Python compiler automatically identifies the keyword as a built-in word and therefore makes it more prominent on the screen by using a different color for it. Keywords are built into the programming language, which means that one cannot change or alter them in any way whatsoever. Each keyword has a specific purpose to accomplish a specific task. The print keyword is used to send and display text to the user via the output screen. As in our case, we wanted to print the text "Hello World" to the console, which we have succeeded in doing. In Python, when you have a keyword with its own set of parentheses, round brackets, we refer to the keyword as a function. This means that it will take in some form of input and return some form of output. As in our code, it has taken in the text "Hello World" and provided us with an output of "Hello World." When I'm referring to functions in Python, you will see me attach a pair of round brackets to the keyword, just like print. Hence, I say the print function.